Hey everyone, how's it going? What we have here today is a Troy-Bilt generator. Electric start, 6200 watt, 9750 starting, Briggs & Stratton motor. I got this as a project. I picked it up for 30 bucks. A couple little things need replaced on it, but I'll give you a quick oversight. You got your fuel tank up top, electric start battery, got your ignition switch, battery float charger. Cover's taken off at the moment, but that's where kill switch will go. Air cover is missing. I think I need a new carburetor as well. It's been a previous owner must have had it sitting out for a little bit or something of the sort, because I see a little bit of rust up top here. You can find your fuel shutoff valve. Over here I'm missing a spark plug. Here's where you find your spark plug. Model number for this is 030432. Not a whole lot to them. Fairly simple. Great for storms, camping, a bunch of different things. Like I said, this is obviously missing a couple parts on it, but for $30 I couldn't pass up the opportunity. And I'm going to see about getting this fired up here soon. I just did an oil change on it. If you're looking for your oil drain port, you have one here. Come around the side. I'll have another one. Oh, I'm sorry. I must be on the wrong side. One right here. And another sneaky one right here. So, if you have one spot that is easier to get to than others, you have multiple points. Wheels are still good, but the front bracket's missing. We'll get that replaced too. Hopefully I should have this thing updated and running within a timely manner. Missing a ground wire.
Dad, what's this? Dad, what's this thing?
Alright, so it's a quick little oversight of it, and I'll give updates on it when the project is finished. Thanks.